Hey everybody, Gary Heiligman here, Century 21 Real Estate, Century 21 Vanguard here in Columbia. With all the uncertainty regarding the economy and what's going on in the real estate market, we thought it might be helpful to provide you with a monthly look at what is going on in the Greater Columbia real estate market. So with that thought in mind, let's not waste any time. Let's go right in and take a look at what the data is telling us. Here we have our closed sales in the month of October 2022. In Richland County, which is the gray, and Lexington County, which is maroon. You can see Richland sales are down 22% versus the prior October. Lexington down 36% from October of 2021. So yeah, the market has definitely cooled off. It started around July. You can see the trend line bumped a little bit in August and then started its downward trend. Another number we focus on is month's supply of inventory. And anything less than 6 months supply in real estate is considered to be a seller's market. And you can see here, we haven't been below 3 months of inventory in over 3.5 years, almost 4 years. So it's been an extended seller's market. And even though the month's supply of inventory went up a little bit in October, it is still at almost historic level lows. It is by far and away a seller's market, and it has been. Now, prices. We're all aware, most of you are, if you own a home, prices have been increasing at rapid rates through most of the last 18 months. Increases of 15 to 20% in median sales price month over month were fairly common. What we see here is in Lexington in October, prices increased 10.9%, Richland 7.8%. What's happening is price increases are leveling off. Prices are still going up, but at a much slower rate than they have been. Unlike some markets across the country where they are experiencing a crash, meaning prices are going way down, our prices are still going up. They're just slowing down the rate of increase with which they are increasing. So what does this all mean? A couple things. If you've been thinking of buying a home, look at it this way. Low demand is what we have right now. I get it. Interest rates are high. The economy is uncertain. Inflation's high and prices are high. The supply is still low, so you don't have many choices, right? But if you want to make a move, you want to upsize, your first-time home buyer, don't focus so much on the interest rate. Think about the monthly payment. What am I getting at? Ask us about our 2-to-1 loan buy-down option, where you can get into your home, lock in at 2% less than the going interest rate, and ask your lender, one of our lenders, to really show you what that means, how it could fit into your budget in terms of your monthly payment. Might help you make that move sooner than you can think. Most analysts think interest rates are going to come down in the next couple of years. They may not go back to 2%, but 3, 4, 5, who knows? And then you can refinance. If you are a seller, think about this. The low supply, low demand market, keeping prices fairly level, as we just saw. When supply begins to increase, especially if demand stays fairly low, and if it begins to increase, in other words, if demand increases and supply increases, especially if supply increases at a faster rate, then those increases in prices will certainly level off to the 3 to 5% range, which is a more normal and stabilized market, but they might also go down a little bit. So the point is, right now, next few months, 4, 5, 6 months, maybe, it's probably the highest price you're going to get for your home in the foreseeable future. So if you're thinking of moving, but you don't want to get that low interest rate and give that away to a higher rate, ask us about the 2-to-1 buy down option, and ask us about our cash buy options. We represent 2 institutional investors who may be willing to make a cash offer on your property, and they'll let us put the home on the market to see if we can get a higher price than what they're offering to help you net more money at the closing table. So if any of that sounds of interest to you, give me a holler, Gary, at 803-271-9544, or if you would like some information specific to your neighborhood and your subdivision, we can help you with that, help you understand what's going on in your local, hyper-localized market, so you can make an informed decision whether or not this is a good time to buy or sell, and we can connect you with some of our best lenders who can walk you through the financials of all of that. Until the first Monday of next month for our next update, hope you all have a great month. Take care. Hope to see you soon in 803-271-9544. Take care and God bless. Thanks.